Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need the same phone number and the account that holds the backup. That's non-negotiable. Once done, uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it so the app triggers the restore prompt. This is the first actionable step. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected and you've granted storage and contacts permissions. Otherwise, WhatsApp cannot find or restore backups. If you have a local Android backup, confirm the MSG store file is in the WhatsApp/databases folder before proceeding. After reinstalling, verify your phone number. WhatsApp will search cloud backups automatically. When the Google Drive or iCloud prompt appears, tap Restore and be patient. Large backups take time. For Android without cloud backups, stop now. Use a file manager to ensure the local MSG store file is named correctly and located in /WhatsApp/databases, then continue verification so WhatsApp detects it. Once restore finishes, the app will reconstruct chat history and then begin downloading media. When restore completes, WhatsApp shows chats first and downloads media afterward. Let it finish syncing. If the restore fails, make sure you're signed into the exact Google or iCloud account used to create the backup, that you have enough device and cloud storage, and that the backup file isn't corrupted. For Android local restores, a common fix is matching the MSG Store crypt extension to the WhatsApp version. If wrong, rename to the correct crypt version and retry reinstalling to force detection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.